Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut or split any video track on the Inshot application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Inshot app on your device and you can either create a new project or continue editing from any of your old ones. Once you open up your project, you can import your media files from the plus icon and they will be added to your timeline. Now, once you have uploaded your video clip, if you wish to cut it or split it at any point, simply tap on the video file and then slide the edit tools to the right. You will now see the split button. Go ahead and tap on it and this will now split the video track into two different parts. You can now delete the part that you don't require and you can also use the slider to change the duration of the video. You can do this at multiple points to split your videos and make any of your desired edits. Once you're done editing, you can export your videos from the export button at the top right corner. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to cut or split your video clips on the Inshot application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.